everyone. Let's get bricky.
Hey everyone, I'm MacGyver. I'm here today with another fun little Lego build for all of y'all. This comes from a video challenge I did for the Sioux Center Public Library to help give the community some little Lego challenges to have some fun with. And the one that I posted, a bit more for, an older audience. I'm sure kids could understand it as well, but basic idea for it was don't judge a book by its cover. Basically, I got the idea from seeing this guy on YouTube who made a Lego skull, but when you opened it up, a little city rose out of it, which you normally wouldn't think of. So I thought of the idea of, okay, build something ordinary, but on the inside, it's not what you think. So I went with a traditional, book-looking thing. Made this giant tome of a guy, but on the inside, once you turn everything around, sorry, just a moment. But on the inside, there's a small little city, or how I try to recreate London. So here we have, Big Ben, House of Parliament here. We have the London Eye, we have Tower Bridge, and then in the back here, using these translucent pilot cockpit pieces, we have some big egg-shaped building that I do not know the name of. All I know is it's in London. So all of this actually folds down all nice and flat inside this book, closes right up. But normally you wouldn't notice that looking from the outside, the whole judging a book by its cover scenario. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build it. It's actually very, very simple. We mainly have the spine of the book. We have the two halves, which for the most part are mirrored, except one end has a higher lip, the other one has a smaller one. And then it's how to build all of the pieces in there. Now in there, I have them to where all the pieces are up. But I will show you how you can fold it all back down to where it's flat, and then you can close the book. So first, follow the instructions provided here on how to build it. Then I'll show you how it is that you can collapse it all. So, get building. So, once you have completed your London in a book little Lego build here, I'll show you how it is that you go about taking it down. First one you're going to want to do is this little egg-shaped guy. First, going to not break it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to fold down the when you look at it all face on, the left-hand cockpit for you will be the right one. Swivel the other one around, tuck it down as well as far as it'll go until they butt up right against each other. From there, the two bridges are really fairly easy as well. Take the top parts and you slide them up, as well as the black drawbridge part, and then those both get folded down just as easy. Big Ben, he just gets folded down nice and flat there. London Eye, however, takes a little bit more. And what you do there is you're going to turn it towards the spine, given the hinge, and then he gets folded down, and he tucks just a tiny bit underneath there. But otherwise, it'll all look like this when it is flattened out. And then, closes up, flush. Well, as flush as can be. There's a little bit of space in between there, but, you know, we're not that worried about it. But that is how you build your wonderful London in a book. If you like this idea, let me know, and maybe I can try and build other cities that can fit inside of this size book. Or if you guys do it and do your own, I'd love to hear or see your results as well. So, Let me know if you had any problems or need any help in trying to build this. Obviously, colors don't necessarily have to be the same. I know mine would exactly, accurate. The London eye would be more silver instead of brown. But obviously the instructions, I can color them how I want to, so they look a bit better there. But anyways, thank you guys also very much for watching. As always, I have been Lego MacGyver. To all of you master builders out there, stay bricky, keep building, and I will see you guys all next time.